How to add music to Photos Memories on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The Photos app allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Go to the Collections section below. On this page, go to Memories as shown. You can view all your memories over here. Tap on the play button under any memory from here. Go to the bottom left corner and tap on the music icon. Then, tap on the Add Music icon below. You can now view and try out the available music from here. Select the music that you like and then tap on the tick icon above. Following these steps, you can easily add music to Photos Memories on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.